Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you can reach the server. Open MySQL client or Workbench and enter host, port 3306, and your credentials. Once connected, run a quick status command to confirm the connection and server version so you know what features to expect. If the server is remote and blocked, create an SSH tunnel first. This lets you use the same local commands securely. Make sure your user has at least show databases privilege before moving forward. Once connected, list databases with show databases so you can pick the one to inspect. After choosing, type use DB name, which switches your session context, and then run show tables to reveal table names. To understand structure, use show create table name or query information schema. Tables and columns for schema details. If you need sample rows, run select asterisk from table name limit 10 to verify data format without scanning the entire table. To finish, export or snapshot the database using Mysql dump or Workbench export so you have a backup before major changes. If commands fail, check your permissions with show grants for current user and inspect the MySQL error log or connection errors for hints. Also verify character set and collation. Misconfigured encodings can make data look wrong. If access is denied, ask your DBA to grant, show databases, or specific schema privileges, and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.